Hello crypto fans, this is Crypto Inspector, and in the next minutes you'll learn how to create your first NFT for free. So the first thing what you need to do is get a MetaMask account, and I'll link that in the description. How to install it is quite easy, it's quite straightforward. So once you have your MetaMask account, you need to go to rarible.com. I'll link that also in the description, and then you go to Connect Wallet here. So you click on MetaMask, so you can create an account with Rarible basically, and then you simply go to create here, NFT, and select Ethereum, okay? Then you, in this example, we're gonna do a single NFT, and here you can put an image, MP3, you know, a video. In my case, I have this NFT that I wanna do as a NFT basically, and then you put here the price. So let's say I'm gonna put it 0.002 Ethereum, and here you see there's also 7.5% Rarible fees, and also here is a date of listing and for how long. So let's say I'll do it for 3 months, and what you need to do is select this one here, free minting. So the buyer will pay the gas fees. You name your NFT here. So in my case it's Dogs and Cats Hotel. I do NFTs about dogs and cats. And you can put here the royalties, okay? So I'll put like 30%. So if someone buys it and resells it, you keep getting the money for it. There's also additional options here you can look at. Then you click on create, so everything will start. So here it's uploading all the media, the image, it's minting, and here you need to confirm, you approve, and you confirm that, and there you have it. So you have your first NFT for free, and that's a 2024 edition. So you can click here to view your NFT. There you have it. So why do that, right? I mean, look, this basically links to you as an artist that this is your art and no one can copy it. So yeah, someone can screenshot it, but it doesn't have any value because it's in the blockchain, and someone can see this NFT and it's linked to your wallet, which you are the artist because you'll publicize it that you are the artist of this through this wallet, and then that creates genuinity, you know, like authenticity for your uniqueness for your basically NFT. So there you have it. That was in a couple of minutes. You created your first NFT for free. Crypto Inspector is out.